Kanchanaburi is a province situated approximately 130 kilometers west of Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand. The province is known for its lush greenery, scenic landscapes, and historical significance. It is bordered by Myanmar, Burma, to the west, and it spans an area with a diverse mix of natural beauty and cultural heritage. The Death Railway, also known as the Burma Railway, was constructed during World War II by prisoners of war and laborers under Japanese occupation. It stretches from Thailand to Myanmar and passes through the Krasae cave, which adds a unique and picturesque element to the railway line. Krasae Cave is located near the River Kwai and offers a scenic spot where the train passes through a dark cave, creating a mesmerizing visual experience for visitors. The four-railway bridge over the River Kwai is an impressive engineering marvel. These bridges were constructed during World War II and served as a vital supply route for the Japanese forces. Today, they stand as a symbol of historical significance and resilience, attracting history enthusiasts and tourists alike. The original bridge was constructed by Allied prisoners of war and Asian laborers using forced labor. The construction began in September 1942 and was completed in early 1943. The bridge was a vital part of the Thai-Burma Railway, intended to connect Bangkok with Rangoon, now Yangon, in Burma, now Myanmar. The bridge's strategic importance was to facilitate the Japanese military's transportation of troops and supplies between their occupied territories. The original bridge was later bombed and destroyed by Allied forces in 1945 to disrupt Japanese supply lines. After the war, the bridge was repaired and reconstructed using steel and concrete. Srinagarind Dam, also known as Wat Tham Dam, is a massive concrete dam situated on the River Kwai. It provides hydroelectric power to the region and helps in flood control. The dam's reservoir offers breathtaking views, and its surroundings have become a popular spot for boating, fishing, and other water activities. The Mon Wood Bridge in Srinagarind is an iconic landmark that stretches across the Wat Tham Lake. This picturesque bridge is one of Thailand's longest wooden bridges and holds cultural significance as it connects the Mon village with the local temple. Its charming design and scenic setting make it a favorite spot for photographers and travelers. The Wat Tham Sua Temple, also known as the Tiger Cave Temple, is a significant Buddhist temple complex perched on a hillside with breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. The temple is named after a cave with tiger paw prints embedded in the stone, which adds a touch of mystique to the site. To reach the viewpoint, visitors need to climb 1,237 steps to the top of a limestone hill. The effort is well worth it, as the view is truly spectacular. The temple is an important religious site for Buddhist practitioners and is also a meditation center. Monks reside here and meditate in the serene environment. One of the main attractions at Wat Tham Sua is a large golden Buddha statue, which is 18 meters tall, approximately 59 feet, and is visible from afar. The temple complex comprises numerous caves, each adorned with various statues and images related to Buddhism. Visitors can explore these caves and learn about the temple's religious heritage. Wat Tham Sua hosts annual temple fairs and festivals, which are vibrant and full of cultural activities. The temple showcases a blend of Buddhism and traditional Thai folk beliefs, making it an interesting place to learn about the religious and cultural aspects of Thailand. The Kreng Krawia Waterfall is a hidden gem nestled within a lush tropical forest. Its serene and tranquil ambiance makes it a great escape for nature lovers and adventurers. The waterfall offers a refreshing dip in its cool waters, and the surrounding verdant vegetation adds to its charm. Erawan Waterfall is the crown jewel of Erawan National Park and is named after the three-headed white elephant from Hindu mythology, Erawan. The waterfall is famous for its emerald green, multi-tiered cascades that resemble the shape of the elephant's three-tiered trunk. The 7 tiers of the waterfall each offer a unique and mesmerizing view, making it a favorite destination for both locals and tourists. The first tier is easily accessible from the park entrance and is a popular spot for swimming and picnicking. The clear turquoise water invites visitors to take a refreshing dip and enjoy the natural beauty surrounding them. Moving further up, the second tier features a large pool with natural rock formations that resemble a bathtub. The third tier features a beautiful waterfall flowing over a large, smooth rock surface, creating a natural waterslide. The fourth tier offers a more tranquil and secluded setting. The pool here is surrounded by lush greenery and is a great place to relax. The fifth tier is known for its dramatic cascade and rocky terrain. It requires a short hike to reach this tier, but the effort is rewarded with breathtaking views. The sixth tier features a series of small cascades and pools. The seventh and final tier is the tallest and most challenging to reach. The Kwai Yai River flows through the heart of Kanchanaburi province. Its scenic beauty and historical significance draw tourists seeking river cruises, bamboo rafting, and other water-based activities. Boat cruises along the Kwai Yai River offer a relaxing way to soak in the beautiful scenery and gain insights into the region's history. Bamboo rafting is a thrilling experience that allows visitors to float down the gentle currents of the river, passing through picturesque landscapes. There are several resorts and accommodations along the riverbank, providing tourists with opportunities to stay close to nature and enjoy serene views. The Kwae-noi River provides an idyllic setting for elephants to cool off and take a bath. Observing these majestic creatures in their natural habitat, enjoying the river, can be an unforgettable experience for viewers.